English is fun. Let's learn together.
Hello, meet Oliver. Oliver is a little otter. He lives by the river and loves to explore. Oliver loves collecting shiny stones. He looks everywhere, under the leaves and near the water. One sunny morning, he finds something amazing. Look, a special blue stone. It sparkles in the sunlight. Oliver is very excited. He runs to show his friends his new treasure. Come see, my friends! His friends gather around. They love the beautiful blue stone. Together, they decide to build a garden. They work all afternoon, finding colorful stones. Everyone helps out. They are very happy. The garden is ready. Oliver smiles, looking at the blue stone right in the center. It looks beautiful. Now they have a favorite place to play. They laugh and enjoy the day together. The end.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye. See you next time.